Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Car Guy Jordy from Cosmo Motors. If you don't know what this is, if you've ever played Gran Turismo 3 or Forza 4, you would know what this is. For those of y'all that don't know, this is a Panoz Esperante with the JRD kit. So there's only 243 of these cars produced. Less than 10 were documented with the JRD kit, and with the JRD stuff you get that nice carbon fiber engine cover, you get the nice carbon fiber charge pipes in the intake with a Paxton Novi 1000 supercharger. This is a 4.6 4 valve out of like a 02 Cobra. And this thing is really nice. 29,000 miles. Soft top is in phenomenal condition. It does even have a MagnaFlow exhaust on it. And the cluster is, I mean, it's a carbon fiber chassis, all aluminum panels, but I mean, the whole chassis is carbon fiber. It's got a cluster out of a New Edge SN95. And we're gonna fire this puppy up real quick. $29,784 on the miles. This thing sounds really good too. Sounds just like an 02 Cobra. This is available right here at Cosmo Motors in Hickory, North Carolina.